Want to make money online for free? No investment, no skills, and it works in any country? Here are 5 methods you can start today, all 100% free and legal. Method number 1, microtasks on global platforms. Websites like Clickworker, Ysense, Remote Asks, and Appen pay you for simple tasks like image labeling, surveys, and data checking. Works worldwide and needs 0 experience. Method number 2, use AI to create digital content. You can use free tools like Canva, ChatGPT, CapCut, and Adobe Express to create social media posts, logos, short videos, resumes. Then sell these on Fiverr or Upwork. No investment needed. Method number 3, faceless YouTube channels. Choose a niche. Use AI for scripts, voiceover, and editing. Upload consistently and monetize with ads. This method is free and it works in every country. Method number 4, sell digital products for free. Use Gumroad, TeePublic, or Redbubble to sell. Templates, PDFs, designs, print-on-demand merch. No upfront cost. The platforms print and ship for you. Method number 5, offer simple online services. Proofreading, translation, copywriting, or social media posting. You can start for free using Fiverr, Upwork, or People Per Hour. No experience required, just start with small gigs. These 5 methods work anywhere in the world and cost 0 money to start. Pick one, stick to it, and start earning online today. Subscribe for more how-to videos like this.